Today we'll be making easy and delicious strawberry dump cake using only 3 ingredients. Coming up. What's up, Curio Fam? Welcome to the Curio Vlogs. Say hi, babe.
Hi, babe. Hi, guys.
Thank you for joining us. Well, today we have another easy recipe, which is also delicious, and it was suggested by one of our Curio Fam members named Blessed Wiccan. Thank you so much, Blessed Wiccan. And that's going to be called strawberry dump cake. A dump cake can be made with a variety of different fillings such as cherries, apples, peaches, blueberries, but in this case we're using strawberries. You can enjoy dump cake anytime, but since Mother's Day is coming up, maybe you can make one to share with your mom. That would be the perfect dessert for Mother's Day. And the best part about it is that it's fast, easy, and it only requires 3 ingredients.
Hey, can I watch you guys make this dump cake?
Of course you can, J2.
Awesome, it sounds pretty good. I really can't wait to try.
Girlfriend number 1.
Hello? Oh, hey Jeanette. Oh, we're just recording a vlog. Can you hold on just a minute? Yeah, just a second.
Why haven't you returned any of my calls or texts, and who are you talking to?
Oh, hold on just a second. Yes, I like a double meat quarter pounder with cheese, no onion, with jalapeno. Yes, my name is J2. Thank you. Michelle, what are you doing here?
What do you mean, what am I doing here? Last week you said we were going out to dinner. Today it's 6 o'clock, so here I am. My question is, why are you ordering food if we're supposed to go out to eat?
Michelle, I can explain.
Girlfriend number 2.
Who in the hell is that?
It's a prank. Look, the camera's right behind me.
Are you serious right now? You must think I'm pretty stupid, don't you? Well, I'm not. I knew you acted and sounded too good to be true. You're a loser and a gold digger. Plus, you talk like a girl. Goodbye.
There goes my car payment.
J2, is that all you think about is money? I told you not to be deceiving these ladies. We're going to continue our vlog, but we'll talk later.
No worries, Johnny. I'm gonna stick to one woman from now on. I promise.
Girlfriend number 3.
Just go to your room, J2. Guys, I apologize for all that, but make sure you stick around to the end of the video where we're going to have shoutouts. So with all that said, let's get started.
A few moments later.
Before we start, I just want to say that you can find the detailed instructions for this recipe in the description below. These are the only 3 ingredients that you will need for this strawberry dump cake recipe. You will need 2 21-ounce cans of pie filling, 1 15-ounce box of either yellow or white cake mix, 1.5 sticks of cold butter. Before you start, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, the first thing you want to do is spray your baking dish with spray butter or a canola oil, something like that. Next, you will dump the 2 21-ounce cans of pie filling. In our case, we're using strawberry pie filling into your dish. Spread it evenly. And the reason it's called a dump cake, guys, is because basically all you do is just dump all your ingredients into your dish. Then you will spread your cake mix evenly over the pie filling. In our case, we're using a white cake mix, but you can use any color you want. We could have used strawberry cake mix, but we went with white. The same goes with the pie filling. You can use any type of pie filling that you wish. The last thing you will need is 1.5 sticks of butter. You want the butter to be cold because you're going to slice it up into very thin pads or slices, and then you're going to cover the cake mix with those thin slices of butter completely. And that's it for the preparation. By the way, guys, I forgot to mention the baking dish we're using is a 13-inch by 9-inch dish. Finally, you place the baking dish into the oven, which was set for 350 degrees for 40 minutes.
Much later.
Okay, guys, our strawberry dump cake is now ready. You want to make sure that you let the dump cake cool down a bit before you serve it. We cooled it down for about an hour. By the way, guys, we also had to increase the baking time from 40 minutes to 1 hour. 40 minutes was just not enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this, but I'm gonna bring it up a notch. So let me get a piece of this dump cake. Here's my piece of dump cake, guys. Now I'm gonna top it off with some whipped cream and some fresh strawberries. Okay guys, here we go. I'm gonna give it a try. Gotta get some fresh strawberry, whipped cream, a little bit of everything. One more. It is amazing. You get the crunchiness of the cake mix, which that turned out nice and golden brown. The pie filling, the strawberry pie filling, is just right. It's not too sweet. It's just sweet enough. The fresh strawberries just give it that freshness, and the whipped cream, it just dissolves in your mouth, and everything goes well together perfectly. Y'all have to try this sometime. Aside from the fact that it's fast and easy to make, it's super delicious. Let us know in the comments below if you've ever tried this or if you plan to make it. Let us know what type of pie filling y'all have used or are planning to use. And with Mother's Day tomorrow, you might want to consider making some for your mom. Like I said, it is awesome. Well, before we go, guys, I do have some shout outs. The first shout out goes to Sandra McKeon. She was the first to comment in our last vlog. Thank you so much, Sandy and Jude. We appreciate your support. Next shout out goes to All and I. Thank you so much. Karenscoffeecorner. We appreciate your support, Karen. Michael Baker. Thank you for watching our videos. Liam Farrell. We appreciate your support. And the last shout out goes to Joel Kozak. Thank you so much, Joel. And thank everyone else for watching our videos. If you enjoyed this vlog, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Click the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. Make sure you share this video on all your social medias. Follow us on Twitter at The Curio Show YT. And with all that said, I want to thank you for watching. Y'all take it easy and stay curious.